Blessings, this is Ariel Sophia. The purpose of this guided relaxation is to assist you in feeling lighter, freer, free of anxiety, happier, and healthier. Let's begin. Allow yourself to rest comfortably and begin to feel your breathing. Deep inhalation through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Very good. Again. Deep inhalation through the nose. Hold it and exhale through the mouth. Relax. Deep inhalation through the nose. Hold it and exhale through the mouth. Very good. With every breath, allow yourself to feel more and more relaxed. Deep inhalation through the nose. Hold it and exhale through the mouth, relaxing more. One more time like this. Deep inhalation through the nose. Hold it and exhale through the mouth. Very good. Now allow yourself to focus on your feet. And as you continue to breathe deeply and gently, feel your feet relax. Feel the toes, the heels, the arches of your feet completely relax. As your feet relax, all of your body begins to relax 10 times more. And you feel as if through your feet, any tension that no longer serves a purpose, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, just gently exits through your feet and is immediately transformed into love. Continue to feel that every breath that you take and every exhalation allows more and more of that deeper tension to be released through your feet. Very good. Now allow yourself to feel, as this continues, that your ankles begin to relax. Feel your ankles relax. And as your ankles relax, notice that the muscles of your calves begin to relax more. Your knees begin to relax more. And the relaxation gently flows through both thighs at the same time, allowing the large muscles of your thighs to fully and completely relax. As your legs relax, you feel your hips gently begin to open, relaxing deeply the joints, relaxing any tension held in your right hip right now. Completely relaxes. Any tension held in your left hip now completely relaxes. As both hips relax, the lower back begins to relax so much more. Feel it, allow it, and allow yourself, as your lower back relaxes, to experience the relaxation gently moving through your spine, relaxing every vertebrae, relaxing all of your organs, all of your muscles, You feel safe and heavy with relaxation, a very comfortable sensation of relaxation. You allow yourself, you give yourself permission to simply relax. Feel it, allow it. As the relaxation continues to flow through all of your body and through your torso, you notice that the very center of your chest relaxes more. You feel safe and you give yourself permission to simply relax. The relaxation begins to flow deeper, peacefully, through both arms at the same time, and it is a wonderful sensation. It feels as if two beautiful waterfalls were gently, smoothly flowing through your arms and hands, any tension being totally transmuted, released, transformed into love. And you feel the neck completely relaxed, the base of your skull completely relaxes, and the relaxation flows deeply through all of your head, relaxing your ears, relaxing your forehead, relaxing your scalp, relaxing your crown. Every hair follicle in your head relaxes now. And as the scalp relaxes, the forehead continues to relax a little bit more, and the relaxation flows deeply through your eyes, through the bridge of your nose, through your cheeks, deep into your mouth, deep into the roof of your mouth relaxes. Your chin, your jaw relaxes, and you feel so comfortable, so peaceful, so wonderful. As your body continues to relax more and more, you transport your imagination to a very beautiful place outdoors, a place that is absolutely magical for you. Create it in your imagination. Give yourself permission to imagine, to expand. And in this beautiful place outdoors, allow yourself to notice that there is a small hill, a little mountain, and you have a backpack with you that you've been carrying for quite some time, and you can feel the heaviness of it upon your back, upon your shoulders, upon your mind, upon your emotions. It feels quite heavy. At the top of the hill, there is a beautiful tree with white feathers on it. Let your imagination create that. That tree awaits you, and as you get to that tree, you can release finally and for good, if you so choose, that heavy backpack that you have been carrying for some time. You have finally made it to its destination. You can give yourself permission to release it once you're there, if you so choose. Allow yourself to imagine walking up the hill, and you can feel the incline. Feel how strong you are in being able to carry this weight for so long. And as you're walking this final path towards its destination, the weight becomes heavier. You can feel how heavy it's been, and you can also create the awareness that it is now reaching its final destination, that to continue to carry it would be an unwise choice. Allow yourself to feel the heaviness as you continue to walk up the hill. And as you're walking, it becomes a little bit harder and harder to walk. It is so heavy. It has become so heavy. The accumulation of all of these emotions and stuff that you have been carrying for so long is now very obvious to all of your being. Allow yourself to continue walking uphill, for you know that you have now the opportunity to let it go, that you are so close, and you feel the weight. You feel it so heavy upon your back. You only have a few steps to go, and as I count to 3, you find yourself by the feather tree. 1, 2, 3, now being there, and you can breathe. As you get to the feather tree, you notice a beautiful, soft, gentle breeze. You notice a magnificent view, a beautiful view, and a downward slope that is so beautiful. There's a carriage with horses there that are ready to take you on a magical journey, should you choose to let go of this old heavy weight. The tree is its final destination, and you can feel the opportunity of this lightness and the opportunity of choosing a smoother new beginning, a smoother journey ahead. Allow yourself to feel the weight, and as I count to 3, you feel yourself letting it go easily and effortlessly, feeling very aware of the difference of being free from it rather than burdened by it. 1, 2, 3, now. The weight is off your back, and you can feel so light. Allow yourself, as you feel this lightness, your body feels so light. It almost feels like a feather itself in comparison. You feel so light, so free, so good. Allow yourself to feel the freedom of being completely yourself, of just being yourself, being you, light and free, without having to carry the burden anymore. The backpack has reached its destination safely. Allow yourself to feel the gratitude for the strength that allowed you to carry these burdens for so long, and the gratitude for the opportunity to be light now, to begin again. Feel it, allow it, and notice that from your chest, this beautiful expansion of lightness, as if it were a diamond light, begins to expand in all directions, of your being, rising up to your crown in the heavens, down to your feet and beyond to the core of the earth, and around you, expanding through your arms in all directions, creating this magnificent radiance that flows through all of your being, in all dimensions of space and time. You observe the carriage and the horses that are there for you, waiting to carry you, to allow you a journey that is smooth, that is supported, that is protected. Allow yourself to feel the joy of being able, of having the choice to move forward in a way that feels easier, lighter, and deeply supported. Feel it, allow it. You notice now that the horses are white and that they're quite unique. Their third eye is illuminated as if they had a horn, and they have wings upon them. They're inviting you to this journey of great magic and possibilities. Excitedly, you get on this beautiful carriage where you are taken on this majestic, magical journey that rises through the air and allows you to see your own life from a higher perspective of deeper understanding, as if you could see your own self from above, with all the things that trouble you and with all the things that bless you. You can see it from an observation point, from a higher perspective that allows you greater understanding, not only for yourself and your own life on earth, but for everything. It is a higher perspective. Allow yourself to enjoy this beautiful journey of observation, exploration, and beautiful, magical experiences. Feel the breeze, the light of different colors that shines upon you. There's so much time and light. You feel so free and happy, like a child again. You're bubbly and happy, and these beautiful unicorns carry you in their wings to beautiful magical spaces, colors, and the ability to see your life and all of life on planet Earth from a much higher perspective of love, of understanding. Allow yourself to continue on this journey feeling exhilarated, and as you journey you notice that more layers of your old self begin to come off, and you feel lighter and lighter, freer and freer, and you feel so grateful, so light, so free, so joyful. Feel it, allow it, create that in your imagination. It is a beautiful feeling. You feel so light and so free, and you are assured that you are light. You are assured that you are truly loved. You are assured that you are blessings. You are assured that you are health. Feel it, allow it, enjoy it, and you notice that all possibilities, anywhere you wish to go upon this journey, on this magical unicorn ride, is possible for you right now. Give your imagination permission to play, to explore, to visit new realms of colors, of frequencies, of love, of angels, of dolphins, of possibilities. And you feel so good, It is absolutely magnificent. Feel it, experience it, and you know that after this journey, you will be able to see your life from a completely different perspective. New paradigms, new possibilities, and the expansion of your consciousness is now your truth. Allow yourself to enjoy this and to feel so grateful for it. Feel it in all dimensions of your being, and allow yourself to notice that you can come here and you can stay in this journey for as long as you like. Allow yourself to know this. Allow yourself to know that you are unlimited and that your potential is unlimited. Enjoy. Breathe. 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 And gently you begin to journey back to that beautiful feather tree. And you are so grateful for this magical ride in this beautiful unicorn carriage. You feel so blessed and so grateful, so deeply grateful. You feel very light and very free. You notice that the backpack that you had been carrying is there under the tree. And you have a choice to make. You can choose to leave it behind, knowing that it has reached its destination. Or if you so choose, you can continue like you were before, to take this burden upon your shoulders. It is your choice. It is entirely your choice. Allow yourself to realize that you can serve others better when you have your energy light and free. And if you feel aligned with service and joy, it is wiser to continue on lighter, freer, lighter and freer, that you may be of great service, that you may have the energy within you to serve with joy all sentient beings. The backpack is safe there, and you can come back for it at any time. The angels are guarding it for you. The feather tree is guarding it for you. As you journey back into your physical body, the lightness that you bring infuses all of your physicality with pure brightness and pure light. Feel your body becoming stronger and healthier with your light, integrating in a new way your body, your mind, your emotions, your spirit, coming together in a new shape, in a new way, in a new experience that is so much healthier for all of your being. Old pain completely dissipates. Any old emotions that are no longer serving you completely disappear. Your body feels healthier than it has in a very long time. You feel light and you feel so free, so energized, infused with divine joy and love. health and a divine purpose, which is simply to be of service in that which allows you joy, to allow yourself to live every day with ease and with flow, to trust that everything happens exactly as it's supposed to, even that which the mind may not understand is still in divine order, and that you are always, always exactly where you are supposed to be, trusting that and feeling good, feeling so much better, feeling completely different, completely different. As you awaken from this guided relaxation, you feel completely restored and renewed. Allow yourself to focus on your breathing, and you can choose to stay in this relaxed space or slowly bring your conscious awareness back to your space and awaken in your own time, fully restored, fully aware, and feeling completely different, much, much better, much, much better, much, much better, lighter, lighter, lighter. Namaste.